Welcome to this series where we'll learn some basic techniques and methods we'll use in our lessons. In this lesson, we'll learn about paint handling techniques. See the description below for links to all the videos in this series. Spray your paint pans and palette with water. To spread paint without loading more on your brush, pull some wet paint into other areas, wetting the brush as needed. To lift paint and leave light or blank areas, blot the wet paint with a paper towel. You can also lift paint with a dry, clean brush. You can also blot to create texture and contrast. Here I decided to blend in some stark areas in the dry blue paint. You can activate the dry paint by re-wetting it. Then use a wet, clean brush to smooth out the areas that need it. More blotting to create a thinner waterline. You can use a wet brush to touch up fine points too. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped you get the most out of painting with watercolor. To send me photos of your creations, email them to the address in the description. To be notified when there's a new lesson, be sure to subscribe, like, and tap the bell. Take care, stay safe, and see you soon.